Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Crack 2 large eggs into a medium bowl and immediately start a vigorous, continuous whisk for about 15 seconds until the whites and yolks are uniform and slightly frothy. Vigorously whisking incorporates air and thins the mixture, so the eggs cook into soft curds without added fat. Use only eggs for this method. No milk, butter, salt, or oil will be added. This minimal approach relies on technique and timing to create creamy scrambled eggs with just the protein and natural moisture in the eggs. Place an 8-inch nonstick skillet on the stove and set the burner to low heat, waiting about 30 seconds so the surface warms without getting hot. Pour the whisked eggs into the preheated pan and begin stirring gently with a silicone spatula, scraping the bottom every 10 to 15 seconds to form soft, delicate curds. Continue cooking low and slow for about 3 to 4 minutes until the eggs are mostly set but still moist. Low temperature prevents dryness and browning when you use only eggs. When the eggs are about 70% to 80% set with visible soft curds, remove the skillet from the burner so residual heat finishes them rather than direct heat, and rest them in the warm pan for about 30 seconds. Tilt the pan and fold the curds gently with the spatula to combine texture without overcooking. This final rest lets carry-over heat-complete cooking while retaining creaminess. Serve immediately to enjoy peak texture, and if saving leftovers, reheat briefly on low heat for a few seconds to avoid drying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.